where I get the most use out of the blue one is cold water. Like if it's winter time, it'll work well on wild rainbows, wild browns, but I really only have good luck with it when the water's really cold, like fish are lethargic. Alright, now we're going to tie a tracksuit. Do it in blue. I've gotten questions about this fly and what in the world it is. So, super long story short, I found a couple flies in the carpet in the hallway of the hotel in the Czech Republic in the World Championships there in 2014. And they were much more elaborate than this and thinner and different materials, but both of them were like bluish shades. And I was like, what in the world, why are these things blue? I asked somebody and I said, oh, they're probably grayling flies. I was like, oh, grayling flies. All right, well, I knew the next year we were going to Bosnia. It was supposed to be mostly grayling. Well, Bosnian grayling are a totally different animal from the grayling that we were catching at the time in the Czech Republic, which was only a few. We only caught a few, but the Slovakian grayling and the Czech grayling that I've fished for, there's plenty of places in the Czech that have grayling that I know nothing about, but the stocked grayling like that blue flashy color. So that's where it originated from. I tied another one in a more of a auburn, still sparkly, with a pink bead on it. And I still fish them today. Here in the States, where I get the most use out of the blue one is cold water. Like if it's winter time, it'll work well on wild rainbows, wild browns, but I really only have good luck with it when the water's really cold, like fish are lethargic. I've done well in some North Carolina comps when it was snow everywhere, single digit temperatures. I've done well on it. The pink one, I've done better in warmer water and for a little wider range of species. But it's one of those things that you're not going to live and die with it. Some days, some places they like it. The next 3 days, 3 places you use it, it doesn't seem to work as well. But it's a good change up. Like, not many people are going to throw something that quite looks like this. So for me in particular, the blue one, it still gets use in the winter. I don't fish much in the winter anymore, but when I do, I usually run through the old tracksuit. So we'll give her a tie here. What I need to get is, there it is. Alright, now I got everything. Black thread, the new fulling mill black thread. Not just any black thread will do. I put a CDL tail on it just to be fancy. Everybody knows how fancy I like to be. I don't want to be left out. I don't want all the cool kids to have CDL tails, and me not have one would make me feel weird. Bind that down, little blue wire to make it extra blue for the blue tracksuit. And then I'll get my glasses back on, the new tactical peacock flash with the UV. It's kind of spectrumized. It's got some other color dubbings in there. It's actually nicer looking stuff than the original. that I tied it with. You can make this really thin at the back end if you want like super stealth tracksuit, but I usually don't try to segment it for like a thorax or anything like that. I mean, it's blue, for crying out loud. This is not an imitative fly. Wind her up there, counter rivet. Back that off of there. Then grab some CDC. I had a feather here a minute ago. And I grew tired of trying to wrap these things old school style, whether you tie it in at the bottom or tie it in at the tip and actually wrap it, which is how I used to tie them to start with. It just took too long. And splitting thread or putting it in a dubbing loop, I was like, that's just not my jam. So all I do is I take it, lay it on there about as long as you want it, and pinch it over about 3/4 of the way, so it's kind of all the way back around both sides, and just bind that thing off, and then it's almost like it's wrapped. Chop that little bit of excess off on here. You're just going to bind that in with dubbing anyway. Put that in there and make a thin little thing up the front. I could have made that a little bit longer, but it'll be alright. Make this top dub pretty tight. Put her in there. And bind that extra CDC down. Call it good. Blue tracksuit. Cold water. Grayling. If nothing else looks good in your box, somebody will ask you about it. Pink is the same way. Just use the different auburn claret color dubbing and a brown to claret colored wire and a pink bead. Everything else is the same.